This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the primary mouse button in MX Linux. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your primary mouse button, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower left hand corner, down to my Applications menu button. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go up to the top up here to the little green gear wheel with the wrench in it. That is your Settings Manager. I'm going to click on that. Now when that dialog box opens up, you want to look for Mouse and Touchpad. It's in the Hardware section. Right down here, Mouse and Touchpad. I'm going to click on that. And then I am on the Devices tab. And right down below here, Buttons. By default, it's set to right-handed, but to change your primary mouse button to left-handed, you would toggle on the left. And to change it to the right, you would toggle on the right one. That is how to change your primary mouse button in MX Linux. Thanks for watching.